Hola, in today's video we are going to do the most perfect flamenco footwork warm-up drill ever. And I say that it's perfect just because it's in a 4 count, so it's more accessible to different levels of flamenco, and there are variations built into it for beginners through advanced levels. So if you are a beginner, you're just going to do the first part of the sequence, and you try to keep up when it gets faster, and you're going to keep your hands on your hips. If you're more experienced, then you are going to do the whole thing, really engage and keep those heels up moving and power through it. And if you are even more experienced and you want to supersize it, then you try to play palmas along with it. Otherwise, keep your hands on your hips. So let's get going. So remember, keep your hands on your hips. Do as many variations as you can. If you are able to play palmas, go for it. But most important, keep the feet going. Here we go. We're going to do a golpe. Pa. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now double. Bam, bam, hold. 1, 2. Here we go, and ba, ba, da, ba, ba, da. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna double that, and taka, taka. Back to the beginning. Double, bam, 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 and ba, ba, da, ba, ba, da, ba, ba, da. That was a great warm-up. Thanks for joining me for that. If you want to continue your studies with me and in a more structured environment and more robust environment, then I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio, where it's a membership with over 80 courses for new beginners through advanced dancers in flamenco theory, technique, and choreography. We have a worldwide community that's very vibrant, very supportive. So click the link below for your 10-day trial, and I'll see you next time.